Unbelievable deals on classic cars and trucks. From iconic muscle cars to vintage pickups, these projects are priced to sell, starting as low as $800. Don't miss out on hidden gems that could be your dream restoration. Which one will steal your heart? Let's find out. 1. 1978 Buick Skylark Custom Sedan 4D, $2,500, Downs, Illinois. This 1978 Buick Skylark is a true time capsule with everything original, including the motor and transmission. It runs smoothly for its age, but it recently developed a transmission fluid leak, likely due to dried up seals from years of sitting. The body is in good shape with minimal rust, making it a workable project. The windshield has a crack, and the car will need a trailer for transport. A clean Illinois title is ready for transfer. Located in Danville, Illinois, it's an excellent pick for restoration enthusiasts. 2. 1979 Mercedes-Benz 450 SLC, $2,600, City, Texas. A sleek 1979 Mercedes 450 SLC with a red exterior and black interior. This classic features a V8 engine, four-wheel disc brakes, and new components like shocks and an ignition module. It gets fuel and spark but won't start due to a fuel issue. Perfect for someone with mechanical expertise. With no title, it's ideal for parts or restoration. At $2,600, this could be your gateway to luxury restoration. 3. 1976 Dodge D250 Regular Cab Long Bed, $2,500, Rockwall, Texas. This former military M880 Dodge truck is a rugged find with low original mileage. Powered by a 318 V8 and 490, it features a new fuel and ignition system running smoothly. Issues include no power steering, an exhaust leak, and missing windows, but it's a solid project with a clean title. It's a head-turner for vintage truck enthusiasts. 4. 1973 Chevrolet Nova Parts with Motor, $2,500, Florence, Alabama. Here's a 1973 Chevy Nova ready for a creative restoration project. The car is disassembled with unbolted interior components and extra parts, including doors and fenders. While the motor is in good shape, the body has some rust. With a clean title, this Nova is a goldmine for a restoration enthusiast. (1965) Ford Galaxie 500, $2,200, Jefferson, Georgia. An iconic 1965 Ford Galaxie with a stunning patina. This car is equipped with a 289 V8, automatic transmission, and power steering. While the frame and front floor pans are solid, it requires rear floor pan and trunk repairs. With a new carburetor and other components already installed, it's a promising project for $2,200. 6. 1976 Chevrolet Silverado, $2,500, Houston, Texas. This 1976 Chevy Silverado is a no-frills classic. The owner got it running but hasn't had time to work on it further. What you see is what you get, a solid, untouched truck waiting for someone to bring it back to life. It's a blank canvas for customization or restoration. (7) 1970 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ, $800, Muscadine, Alabama. This 1970 Pontiac Grand Prix SJ has seen better days, but has some salvageable parts, including a 12-bolt rear end and a solid frame. The engine is locked up, and the trunk floor is rusted through. While not roadworthy, it's a potential parts donor or ambitious restoration project for just $800. 8. 1972 Ford Mustang Fastback, $2,800, Florence, Alabama. A bold 1972 Mustang Fastback priced firmly at $2,800. It features a 302 engine with an automatic transmission, though the engine isn't running on all cylinders. The body has rust but doesn't appear to need full floor pan replacements. With a missing driver's door panel and no fuel tank, this Mustang is ready for a passionate restorer. Snur 9, 1974 Ford F-350 regular cab, $2,500, Lynette, Alabama. A 1974 Ford F-350 flatbed with a 360 V8 engine that turns by hand but doesn't run. This truck is loaded with vintage charm, featuring dual exhausts and a clean cab. While it lacks a title, it's a great candidate for restoration or customization for trade or sale. Ten, 1978 Ford F-250 regular cab HD long bed, $2,800, Sanford, North Carolina. This 1978 Ford F-250 was running when parked 10 years ago. With a 390 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and a title in hand, it's a fantastic project for Ford truck enthusiasts. The blue exterior gives it a classic look, and it's waiting for someone to bring it back to life. (11) 1964 Chevrolet Impala sedan 4D, $2,500, Macon, Georgia. A 1964 Chevy Impala sedan body for sale. While it lacks an engine and transmission, it boasts minimal rust and retains its iconic style. Ideal for a custom rebuild, this Impala could become the star of your collection. Don't miss this opportunity. Which of these classic rides caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible vintage car finds. Who knows, your dream car might be featured next. Until then, keep cruising and happy hunting.